Mr. Deegan reporting live from the VidNotes zone in room D226 studios. Here, it's 6-4, the 6-4 VidNotes. Please write this learning target down. I will understand capitalism, communism, and socialism. And I'm holding in my hand a $1 bill. What's the best way to organize an economy? What's the best way to give money and wealth to people? We're going to be talking about that today. Industry uses capitalism. Capitalism and market competition fueled the Industrial Revolution. So the fuel is capitalism and the car is the Industrial Revolution. Capitalism has created wealth that has increased the standard of living for some. Capitalism, a definition, it is an economic system that relies on private ownership of products and businesses. It focuses on competition between products and companies. As an example, McDonald's and Wendy's, they both have the same kind of products, hamburgers and fries and shakes, but are you going to spend your money on McDonald's or on Wendy's? That is your decision because you live in a capitalist country where these are private companies that you get to choose. There's a lot of choice involved. Capitalism also motivates entrepreneurs to create their own businesses, which creates jobs and wealth for people. It follows the laws of supply and demand. If your product is heavily in demand, you're probably going to make a lot of money. And you're allowed to because you're in a capitalist society. You're an entrepreneur. That's good. What else is good about capitalism? Capitalism has helped grow the middle class since the Industrial Revolution started. You see here this chart, which proves my point. Who invented capitalism anyway? It's an idea. It's not an invention. But Adam Smith thought up this idea. And where is he from? He's from the European country of Scotland. Oh, but where's Scotland? Boop, there it is. Please circle Scotland on your map. It is just north of England, and label Scotland on your map as well. Adam Smith wrote his famous book, Wealth of Nations, that talked about capitalism. What's bad about capitalism? Capitalism has led to an unequal distribution of wealth in society. You have a few very, very rich people and then many poor people. This gap can lead to war, conflict, disagreement, bitterness, jealousy. That's not good. The response to capitalism. One economist, a person who studies the economy, saw the injustices in capitalism for the worker. The Industrial Revolution saw that people were being abused in these factories. Look at this boy has no shoes on and he's being forced to work 12 to 15-hour days. Not fair, not fair. So this mystery bearded man comes along and says, we need to create a system for the worker. Who is this mystery bearded man? Who invented communism? His name is Karl Marx. Where is he from? Well, the European country of Germany. Oh, but where's that on your map? Boop, there it is. Please circle Germany, label it. It is just north of Italy, the boot. Karl Marx and his friend Friedrich Engels. Here he is. Beards were apparently famous in this time. They both wrote the Communist Manifesto and also Das Kapital. What is communism? A definition. It is an economic system that has no private ownership of businesses. Communism says that the government should own all businesses and all land and many other things. Communism believes that an economy should redistribute wealth so that all people have the same amount of wealth. What's good about communism? Well, everyone's sharing everything, so it eliminates the gap between the rich and poor. That's good. What's bad about communism? Citizens are strongly controlled by their government. So here's the government hand controlling a citizen like a puppet. Ugh, that doesn't sound too good. And what about those entrepreneurs? If everyone has the same, what's the motivation to create your own business if you're just going to give all your money away to someone else? Not pure, not pure. Pure capitalism, 0% government control, and pure communism, where there's 100% government control, do not exist in the real world. So let's look at this control on an arrow. Let's label communism, which means there's 100% government control, and capitalism, which means there is 0% government control. And in the middle here is this new idea, socialism, where there is a lot of government control. Socialism believes that some private property is good, but that the government should heavily tax the rich. So there's a lot of equality. Socialism also believes the government should provide social programs like free healthcare and free college, lots of free things so that people have a certain quality of life. But where does the money come from to give you free healthcare and free college? Well, it comes from those entrepreneurs who are making money with their businesses. We are almost done. Think about what you have learned this lesson. Think of a question you'd like to learn more about. Write that question for 2 points. And when you are done with the 6-4 VidNotes. This is Mr. Deegan signing